In this video, I'll show you how to use your Powerbeats Fit, how to connect them, how to use the different features, and even how to wear them in your ear. So let's get started right away. Now, to connect them to your iPhone, it's quite easy. You simply have to make sure the iPhone is turned on. And if it's the first time you're going to use them, open the lid beside the iPhone and automatically going to get this screen that will ask you to connect. If you have an Android phone, you may not get this display appearing. And even on iPhone, sometimes this doesn't appear. You can press the connect button and this will connect them automatically after a few seconds. And then you can press continue. Not now if you don't want your trial to start. And this is it. You can start using them. If you didn't got this screen on Android or iPhone, simply go into the Bluetooth settings of the iPhone. And once you go down this list of all the devices, you're going to see them appearing here, and simply by tapping on them, you're going to connect manually. Now, these earbuds have many different features that can be changed on your phone. So on an iPhone, once you open the settings app, you should see them right over here above airplane mode. By tapping on them, you will have many different features over here that you can change, and we'll check some together. If you have an Android phone, you won't have access to what you see right now. This is because you need to download the Beats app. The Beats app will give you access to these features. Now, before checking these, let me take a moment and show you how to properly wear your Powerbeats Fit in your ear. So you're gonna take the earbud the best way you could with 2 fingers and insert it in your ear. No matter how, this is not important. Then you're gonna rotate it counterclockwise slightly. You're gonna take the wingtip over here and you're gonna place it in this position. Now, what you need to do is to rotate the earbud clockwise so it locks in place. You're going to really feel the tip over here acting as a retainer so that the earbud doesn't fall. Right now I can shake my head. It's impossible to make it loose. Once you're done wearing them, you can simply turn them counterclockwise, simply so that the wing over here goes out, and then you'll be able to properly remove it from your ear. Again, simply put it, no matter how, this is not important. Turn counterclockwise, put the small wing, and then turn it clockwise to lock it. Okay, by doing this movement, you lock it firmly over there. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to do this in barely 1 second. Just like that. Now, one important thing I need to mention, if you have an iPhone, if you have an Android phone, you need to download the Beats app to do what I will show you next. But on an iPhone, once you open settings, you're going to see your Powerbeats Fit. Go down, and I suggest you do the ear tip fit test, just to make sure that you're wearing the right ear tip and you're wearing your earbuds the proper way, so it fits and the noise cancellation works. So if you tap over here, you're going to press continue. You'll need to put both of them in your ear, so not only one, the way I had it. And then you're going to press the play button. A music will play and you just have to wait. At the end, you're going to have this screen, and if everything is great, you're going to see good seal on both sides. If you see that the seal is not optimal, is not good, what it means is you need to take the ear tips that comes included with these in the box and change. So depending if you find them too big, well, you can go on a smaller size or the contrary. How to control your music using your Powerbeats Fit. So it's quite easy. Each of these earbuds have a button where the B logo is, the Beats logo is. You can tap on it and it will act as a button. Now, let me demonstrate. So to control your music, I have opened YouTube Music. It works in any other apps, even on YouTube or even Netflix. If you press once on this Beats logo, the music will start playing on your phone or computer. If you press again, it will pause whatever was playing. If you want to switch to the next track, you simply have to double tap quickly the Beats logo. So let me do it over here, and you can look at my phone. It went to the next track, and I can shuffle like this through different songs. Now, if you want to go to the previous track, you need to triple press the Beats logo. And again, you need to do it quickly. If you take your time, it will not work. So let me triple press. And it went to the previous track. And like this, you can navigate through the tracks. Now, this is how you control your music, but what if you want to take calls? Somebody is calling you. What should you do? Well, to answer the call once somebody is calling you, simply press once on the Beats logo. To end the call, double press quickly on the Beats logo. If while you're talking to somebody, you're receiving a second call at the same time, well, simply pressing the Beats logo once will put the first call in pause, and you're going to answer the second call. If somebody is calling you on your phone and you want to decline, you don't want to talk to that person, you simply have to hold the Beats logo until the call gets cancelled and declined. To switch on your Powerbeats Fit between noise cancellation and transparency mode. So there's multiple ways on how this can be done. The first way, take your iPhone, make sure they are connected together, and this will also work on Android, what I will show you next. But for this, if you have an Android, you need to download the Beats app to have access. So on your iPhone, you need to drag down from the top right corner. You're going to see where the volume is. You're going to have the Powerbeats Fit logo. Keep press on it. And now down below, you're going to have listening mode. Tap on this, and you'll be able to switch between noise cancellation, transparency, or off. Off simply means that none of these features will be active. It will also save you a lot of battery if you put these two off when you do not need transparency or noise cancelling. Now, this is great, but you can also do this directly on the earbuds themselves. So both of them have this B logo that is also a button. Before doing anything else, go into the settings of your iPhone, into the Bluetooth settings, so keep press and then select Bluetooth. You're going to find your Powerbeats Fit, press the I button, and where you see press and hold, make sure that volume control is not turned on. And then down below, you're going to have left earbud and right earbud. Click on left earbud, and you'll be able to see over here that it's currently, if you keep press this Beats button during like a second, you're going to hear a chime on your ears, and it will switch between transparency mode and noise cancellation simply by keeping that button pressed. You can also select off, and now you'll be able to shuffle through these three options. Let me demonstrate. So if I go back where I was previously, imagine this is in my ear and I keep press this B button. As you see, it went to from transparency to off. If I keep press on it again, it will switch to noise cancellation. And just like that, I can switch through all these different options directly on them. Again, on Android, to get what you see over here, you need to download the Beats app. Thanks for watching. If you appreciated this video, this guide, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Also put some Amazon links in the description if you want to get a pair, if you don't already own one.